Hello kings and queens, today is my birthday! Come here, Pearl.
Hello kings and queens.
And this wonderful woman is spending it with me.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. So today we're gonna try to do a really cheap, what do you call it, photo shoot background from the Dollar Tree for all of $3. Yes, I said $3 because it's possible, okay? Okay, let me show you guys what we got. So we got this. This is basically going to be our batch up. So this was $1. It's just a tablecloth like for parties, but we're gonna try it because I have a plant in my room that we think that will go really well with it. We also got some balloons, which we actually need to start blowing. We got this flower, but it's not part of the batch up. I just got this flower, so that doesn't count. What's the last thing in our batch up? That's it, right? Oh, and we also got tape, so we can tape it up on the door. So this is our $3 backdrop, you guys. And then I just got some flowers because I want to hold it, and I also got a cake which is on its way. So where's my candles? So I can put one candle on here and take pictures. This is what we got, so let's see what we can pull together. Alright you guys, this is the before. It's literally just my bedroom door. Surprise. Nothing too special here. Like my bed's right there and here's my door. Okay, but we're going to try to hang this beautiful tablecloth on there. Look, you see it? I already see it. I already see it. And then Pearl is busy blowing our balloons because she's the best. And we're going to use that plant if we need more greenery, which I don't think we will, but we're going to see. And shout out to Tyra. She got me this very cute edible arrangement. I love you so much, Tyra. You're literally the best. Mwah. Okay, let's continue. Just like your things. You can't use too much time.
It's recording, right?
Yes, it's recording. So I'm trying to open it to see where the pattern is. Oh, the pattern's only on the sides. So we're gonna have to figure out a way. We have to figure out a way to get the patterns to not just be, you know what I mean? So how do we do that, Mrs. Designer? Then we can cut it down the middle and then tape it next to each other. Would that be like?
Try to hang it like that and then let's use the plans and see what comes of it.
Okay. Those are perfect!
Let me see.
Oh, Cynthia got me my cupcakes!
Right.
Those are so cute! Thank you!
How'd you like them?
So the tablecloth was pretty lengthy, so what we did was fold it in a little bit at the back to see how long we needed it for the whole door. And now, Carl's helping me here. I want the plant side to be on my right side in the picture. So we're gonna fold in. Actually, I want it to be on my other side, just kidding. Because the doorknob is on this side. So I'm gonna take this and fold it in. Ooh. And then tape it up. So that way in the picture.
We have to bring it
All the way. Is that good? So that way in the picture you'll see this greenery here. I'll have my plant here and then we'll have balloons flying. For $3 you guys. I'm actually really excited. And all we have to do now is paint this, right? I mean, not paint it. We have to tape it. Alright you guys, this is what we're working with. So Pearl and Cynthia helped me tape this up. And it doesn't look perfect, but trust me, in the pictures it's going to look perfect, okay? Then I put my plant here. And then what we're going to do is that they're going to throw the balloons at me like this. And I'll take the picture. This is my vision. I don't know. You guys will see the pictures. But I have my little cake here. Let's light the cake up. Okay, you guys ready? Time to take the pictures. I'm so excited. Oh, I need some lip gloss. Do it. Alright you guys, we already got the pictures of me standing up, so we're moving it down so we can get some pictures on the floor. I am actually loving this. I'm so excited for you guys to see the final product. Ah! What was that scream? If you have great friends like Pearl and Cynthia, you don't need nobody else, okay? Like, these pictures are about to be so cute. Like, wow, I'm shook. I'm really shook myself. Like, we really outdid ourselves here. Wow. Okay. $3 set. Like, $3. $3. Yeah.
And I'm supposed to be.
Look at how cute I am down here. Like, you would never know I was in my room.
I'm
wow, I'm oily. I'm getting hot.
You want to brush to the balloon?
So cute. Alright, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Actually, I want you guys to be in it because you guys helped me. Because the light is this way. Oh, Pro doesn't have a shirt on. Awkward, you guys. I'm so sweaty, but this was such a successful photo shoot. Like, I feel like we should have gotten paid for this. That's how good it was. Okay. So. Okay, let me make space for you. Come. Oh, she says. Bro, do you see what are you doing there? Okay, okay. Are we good? Okay, we're all in. Okay, I just wanted to give a special thank you to my very awesome friends, Cynthia and Pearl. This was like my production. Okay, she helped me like pull everything together. This was my photographer, producer. I mean, this was just amazing. Like, you guys see the pictures. You guys tell me what you think in the comments. We had so much fun. The balloons were so cute. Like, yay. Successful. Yeah, what was I gonna say? Make sure to subscribe to this channel by
Christian Professional.
Yes, and join the family, the kingdom, and also make sure to turn the notifications on so you don't miss another video. And also make sure to check Pearl out on YouTube at Pearl Salt. I have her link below. And also make sure to check out Cynthia. She has an awesome blog called Overcomer to help Christians with daily struggles that we all go through. And also just her thoughts on many different subjects. It's really awesome. Make sure you check out her blog. I'll have it also down below in the description box. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Try it yourself. Follow me on Instagram at The Christian Professional and tag me in your pictures. Let me know how you did it, because this is awesome, guys. $3 at home. Try it, okay? Have great friends, okay? Anyway, love you guys and see you guys in the next one. Bye!